Remove the outer air cleaner cover. Remove the inner nut and cover, then remove and discard the old air cleaner elements. Saturate the new pre-cleaner with clean engine oil. Massage the oil into the pre-cleaner for full coverage. Squeeze out all excess oil. Remaining spots of excess oil can be massaged out of the pre-cleaner. When finished, the pre-cleaner should be oily to the touch, but without being oversaturated and wet. Install pre-cleaner over the new air cleaner element. Remove excess debris from the air cleaner housing, then install the new air cleaner elements. Reinstall the inner cover and secure the inner nut. Some resistance will be felt as the seals are slightly compressed. Reinstall and secure the outer cover.